friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Creative Corner. Today I have come up with wall decor newspaper craft to decorate your room. So let's get started. First of all, we need newspaper piping to be made. Here I have already made it before. Cut down the extra part of piping with perfect measurement shown here. Arrange the piping in vertical from big to small, both the sides on flat surface. Now stick the other remaining piping in serial order from big to small horizontally. Paint it with brown acrylic color both front and back side. Take 6 cm by 30 cm stripe of craft paper, single fold it, now triple fold it and cut the equal stripes with scissors as shown in video. Now open it, give a cuts where it remained to cut. Further open it and stick the Fevicol on one side and stick the other side on it. With the help of pencil, turn it into round shape and stick with Fevicol. Give shape to the flower with the help of pencil like this. Now flower is ready. Here I have made 28 flowers. Cut 28 pieces of 5 by 5 cm square paper. Now stick the cuttings on back sides as shown in video. stick the flowers on paper which we had stick backside with the help of Fevicol. Take thermocol balls and stick it in the middle of the flower. Cut down the rubber band and tie it in cross and hang it on wall. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel.